In today's Power Query challenge, we will need to generate abbreviations from product names. Sounds easy, right? Well, not quite, unless you really know your Power Query tools. Let's walk through it step by step, and I'll explain you every function along the way, so you actually understand what's going on under the hood. No magic, just logic. When you bring the data into Power Query, you'll probably see a column named something like text. So first we are going to apply a transformation to this column. Table transform columns. The first argument is source and the second is list with text and each underscore symbol. Now you might be thinking, why does this do nothing? Exactly, this is just a template. Think of it like opening the toolbox. We are telling Power Query, hey, we want to transform the text column, here is the function we will use. The each underscore part just returns the value itself, unchanged. We are laying the groundwork here. Let's do something useful now. We want to break each name into words, so we can later grab the first letter of each one. We will use Text.Split function. It is the function that takes a string and splits it into a list of words based on a delimiter. The underscore symbol is the current value in the column, and the delimiter is a single space. Now it just gets interesting. For each word in the list, we want to grab the first letter. We can use list.Transform function. This is where the action happens. We are looping through each word in that list and using text.start get the first character from each word. The final step is to glue the list of letters back into a single string. This is where we will use text.combine function that joins them all together into one string. And boom, now you've got clean uppercase abbreviations for every product name. By the way, if your source has words with lowercase and you want to ensure everything is uppercase, just wrap the whole thing in text.upper function. And if this was helpful, you know what to do. Like, comment and subscribe for more Power Query tricks that actually make your life easier. See ya!